Hello, my ortho peeps. I'm super excited to present this case of a biceps deformity, 3-year-old biceps tear, and how I went about correcting it. The tendon tore at the elbow. It's a little different than when they tear near the shoulder. Because there's only one tendon at the elbow area, it causes a lot more dysfunction, as well as a reverse Popeye deformity because the muscle rides up high. There's also more loss of strength. My dear patient presented with a 3-year-old tear. She's a competitive bodybuilder. She developed a tennis ball-shaped deformity. She came to see me not just because of the deformity, but because of the loss of strength. Here's the fun part. This is how I fixed it. As you can see in my pencil sketch, the muscle belly is up high. The tendon stuff is in the middle of the screen. Because it was a 3-year-old tear, it was scarred down and could not be brought back down to the radial tuberosity below. I had to use a allograft or cadaver graft to bridge that gap between the muscle belly and the bone. An incision is made by the elbow, and it is used to place a graft into the radial tuberosity. It's anchored securely down. The broad end of the allograft is then used to attach it to the biceps muscle. But before it's attached, the biceps muscle has to be pulled down as low as possible, and then using a secure, novel technique, I wove the allograft through the muscle belly and back upon itself to help recreate the shape of the muscle and firmly secure it. A professional bodybuilder who suffered a biceps injury that she had for over 2.5 years ago. So this area before was just a big ball of muscle because she had ruptured her biceps over here. So it looked like a softball here before. It looked like a softball. Reconstruction using Achilles allograft to recreate this shape right over here, to create a taper and pull down the muscle that was here. So now you can see on this angle, it looks really good. And by the way, she's not even 3 months out from surgery. You can go like that, and that right there looks absolutely beautiful. You can see the biceps muscle belly transitioning. That's actually graft right there. She hasn't worked out in over 3 months. She was in a brace, but that looks absolutely great. As you can see the incision over here. You can see another incision here where the attachment or the marriage was done between the Achilles graft and her native muscle, but she's doing really well. She's getting the green light to start resistance exercises. Are you feeling pretty good, Geraldine?
Yes, very good.
I'm really happy for you.
I'm happy as well.
Good.